Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. Ingredients for making fish cake. 1.5 fish fillets, mackerel fillets will be used. 3 to 4 sprigs of fresh mint. Some parsley. Fresh onion. ,200 grams of mozzarella cheese. 2 garlic. Spices. Thyme. Sumac. Cumin. Black pepper. Red powdered pepper. Salt. Half a lemon. Breadcrumbs, white flour. Some sunflower oil to fry. Wash green vegetables. Add grape vinegar in cold water, leave greens. It will be enough to use one cover. Wash and clean fish fillets. We don't want fish bones. Grab the edge of the fish and remove the outer skin of the fish. You can separate the fish skin by cutting it with a knife. Chop the fish with a knife, prepare it finely chopped. It is enough to chop a few turns. Finely chop the parsley, mint and green onion. Finally grate cheddar cheese. Add the ingredients to the mixing bowl. Add crushed garlic. add breadcrumbs. Add spices. Mix completely. Materials must be in a structure that will hold each other. Roll with your hand and give the shape of a cylinder. You can divide this amount of material into 12 equal pieces. Equalize the fish patties, they should all be the same size. Arrange the patties with your hands. If 4 pieces will be enough for one person, this meal will be enough for 3 persons. This size is fine, not too small or too big. Add flour to the meatballs. Turn the other side of the meatballs. Add sunflower oil to large pan. Add fish meatballs without waiting for the oil to overheat. Fry the meatballs on medium heat. As you can see, after frying, turn the back side and cook. You can use the oil a little less. The dumplings should be a little oily, it will not dry. Take out the fully browned fish balls on a paper towel and serve before they cool. I recommend you to make a green salad with lots of tomatoes besides fish balls. Colorful, spicy, and I can say that it is very delicious with the cheese we added. You can add tomato sauce while serving. Add fish balls. You can add something like stuffed stuff leaves. If you have children who do not eat fish, You should definitely try. Add lemon and enjoy. It was easy and very tasty. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.